bit about what we've seen, the need to look deep into education sector plans at state level, most importantly, to look at what are the gaps in terms of gender that we could fill in that. And I think that JRPC came into that and filled a very technical space by working with us to commission this research.
And the theory of change and gender responsive education sector plan is clear. You cannot plan for girls if you do not have a plan that specifically mentions girls, tease out objectives related to girls.
In sub-Saharan Africa, 52 million girls and young women are still missing the chance to go to school and are facing significant barriers in their education. Furthermore, increased school enrollment of girls is necessary.
There is no doubt that the girl child is an endangered species. Thus, the need for concerted and intentional efforts to those teams and implementing specific measures aimed at ensuring she attains her full potential through education. The rights of girls to access quality education is a fundamental and powerful tool to break the cycle of poverty. To this end, the Federal Ministry of Women Affairs is very passionate and committed to ensuring that girls are given a sense of belonging and full opportunity to contribute meaningfully to the overall national growth and development. Let me conclude by appreciating the management of JRPC, Parallel Front Foundation, the National Institute for Policy and Strategic Studies, and all relevant stakeholders for this learnable event.
In a significant move towards championing the rights and welfare of women across the nation, His Excellency President Aswaju Wala and the Essay's Office on Women Affairs is focused with the advocacy for women and girls, which is in line with the President's relief hope. The SSA will work with both national and subnational authorities to integrate women's initiatives and meet into the policies and programs of all entities of the federal government.
Women who enjoy good education have proved their abilities in several walks of life. Nigeria has established several policies. We had this strategy for the acceleration of girls' education in Nigeria since 2003. We had the Child Rights Act. We also had the United Nations Convention on Rights of the Child. Yet, many girls still face challenges in accessing education. The current policy landscape, some of the efforts of the federal government through the Federal Ministry of Education. 1. Establishment of federal government girls' college in all the 36 states of the Federation. 2. In FCT. Now, development of the national policy on gender in education, which aims to ensure equitable access for girls and promote quality and inclusive education for all.
To run through the NIPS recommendations that were carried out by the Senior Executive Course in 2015. NIPS came up with 9 recommendations. The first recommendation is the federal government should establish a presidential technical committee on education to draw up a comprehensive and inclusive strategic plan for education in Nigeria covering a period of 10 years.
Well, whenever you see or when we talk about net enrollment ratio, it's talking about, or it's referring to, right, a fraction of that total population that is supposed to be in school that is actually in school.
One of the challenges is the bureaucracy in government. They see civil society as an activists or people that are coming to monitor what they are doing. Yes, in as much as it is our right to monitor what is going on, especially with the funding on education. They're supposed to see us as partners that have the skills and capacity that wants to come and support what they are doing. Because we have free education around logistics, and the government is doing well with education. It's just that civil society are coming for monitoring and evaluation of the great thing is doing.
The government and partners also, we need to find a way around these documents living beyond that training or that process of development
and get it to be used in the field.
Platform is about. And that's one of the things that Malacon is trying to do, so that we're bringing states to talk to each other. In few weeks' time, we are embarking on state-by-state visits and are bringing stakeholders to discuss this gender responsiveness in education planning and sharing knowledge with themselves. And I hope that we all adopt that strategy.
Next step is looking through the partnership we're establishing with NIPS and the EPA to support us policy advocacy and our ECN champions work as a network. Second, supporting the implementation of the national roadmap through the Ministry of Education, and that we will be doing through a strategic partner that is a CSO, and also collaborating with the ministry to support the delivery, which I just want to take this moment to thank everyone in the room and for staying all through this time and your contributions. I really love the energy I've seen at the room all through, and I'm looking forward to more partnership, collaborations.